The yarn is hand knitted number 2 with a 3mm crochet hook. After taking out the thread, bring the thread with left hand. Start with a slip stitch. Then crochet 18 braid stitches. You can also adjust the size. To adjust the size, the total number of stitches should be a multiple of 3. Finish 18 braid stitches. In the penultimate stitch, one thread behind the braid, which is the inside sweater, and hook a short stitch. Beginner can use a marker to mark the first stitch. Then pick the inside of the sweater in the same way and hook one short stitch. Continue until you reach the first stitch. Add 2 stitches to the last stitch. And hook 3 short stitches. When hooking the second stitch, put the thread on the right. Continue to hook the third stitch. Then pick up the braid, the 2 front lines, and crochet 1 short stitch. And put the thread ends on the fabric edge. Hide the thread as you crochet. Keep crocheting like this until the left penultimate stitch. And hook 2 short stitches in the last stitch. After completion, pull up the first stitch. And crochet 2 slip stitches. Start the second round. Then, in the first stitch, crochet 1 long stitch. Then, in each stitch, you hook a long stitch. That is, no increase or decrease. Complete a round along the bottom of the bag like this. And crochet 2 slip stitches. Start the third round. Next, in the first stitch, hook an outer long stitch, which is to pick up the pillar of the long stitch. Finish this long stitch. Second, hook an inner long stitch. Wrap the thread and pick up the post from behind. Finish this long stitch. Now you can see that the inner and outer long stitches. Just change the needle insertion position. The next stitch is also an inner long stitch. Third, inner hook long stitch. There are 3 inner hook long stitches here. Then hook 3 outer long stitches. Pick up the pillar of long stitches from the front and crochet long stitches. Then crochet 3 inner long stitches. Then, according to 3 outer long stitches and 3 inner hook long stitches alternately. The remaining 2 stitches are crocheted as outer long stitches. And the first outer long needle as a group. Pull up on the first stitch. Link to complete a round. Then crochet to braid stitches. Start the second round. In the first outer hook long stitch, hook 1 outer long crochet stitch. Next, 3 inner hook long stitches. 3 inner crochet stitches. Three outer hook long stitches and 3 outer crochet stitches. Complete this round according to this pattern. Finish the first round. Pull up the first stitch. The fabric looks like this. Then hook to braid stitches. Start the next round. Note that this round should be outer long hook stitches. Inner hook long needle on the hook. Inner hook long stitches on outer hook long stitches. Here are 3 outer long stitches, 3 inner hook long stitches. Complete this round in this way. On the last 2 outer long stitches, and the same inner hook long stitches. Pull up the first stitch. And 2 braid stitches. Start the next round. Inner hook long needle, inner hook long needle. These 3 outer hook long stitches. 3 outer hook long stitches. Three inner hook long stitches, hook inner hook long stitches. Finish a round like this. After completion, pull through the first stitch. And 2 braid stitches. Start the next round. Next, it's the same as before. Alternate the stitches every 2 rounds. Inner hook long needle, outer hook long needle. Outer hook long stitches, inner hook long stitches. Inner hook long stitches, outer hook long stitches. Follow this method. Alternate every 2 rounds. Complete the crochet pattern according to this method until you reach the desired height. Card bag. Phone bag can be easily completed. After the slip stitch, hook a single crochet and cut the thread. And lead the thread into the fabric. Finally, sew on a button according to your needs. Then take out a section of rope. Pull both ends out from inside to outside. Tie the ends together. Leave a suitable length. In this way, a cute little bag is completed. If you've learned it, come and show me.